Rocky 99, Conemaugh Health System, Somerset Hospital, and the Cambria County Drug Coalition. We've teamed up to fight drug addiction with our Hearts Against Heroin campaign. And today we welcome Kate Porter, Prevention Program Specialist, Communities That Care Mobilizer for Cambria County Drug Coalition. That's quite a mouthful. First off, Kate, you got a lot there, a big old title now.
I practice that one a lot.
I guess you would. Well, thanks for coming in today, first off.
Thanks for having me.
You're a new staff member that's just been added to the Cambria County Drug Coalition. Tell me, first off, why you were added.
So prevention fits into the overall mission of the Cambria County Drug Coalition. They believe in prevention in Cambria County, and they wanted to make sure that there was a full-time staff that was dedicated to the prevention efforts in Cambria County. So that was the number one reason. We
have the Drug Coalition, then you have to think as part of not only the coalition, you need an entity that is focused just on prevention parts.
Absolutely.
So, okay. What all does your job entail, and have you done prevention work before?
I have done prevention work before. So my job has two different things going on. So prevention program specialist, and I'm also the Communities That Care Mobilizer. So as the Communities That Care Mobilizer, which I'll get into a little bit more detail probably later on in the interview about Communities That Care, but we collaborate with the Community Prevention Board. There's actually a coalition, a prevention coalition that meets it's the second Tuesday of every month.
Is that something that the public is open to?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So tell me about that again. What it is, you just have a big meeting and...
It's built from community prevention board members, stakeholders in the community. Anybody's welcome. Everybody has a role in prevention. That's one thing we definitely want to emphasize. We want community members to be involved, find out what they can do in our community. So we meet, like I said, the second Tuesday every month at the Ebensburg Presbyterian Church. And it's 8:30 in the morning. If people want more information, they can absolutely contact the Drug Coalition on how to get involved. So again, back to my responsibilities. So I collaborate with the community prevention team. We represent Communities That Care for the larger community. I'm the primary contact for Communities That Care.
Tell me about Communities That Care.
So Communities That Care. So Communities That Care is a science-based, data-driven implementation process.
Okay, now tell me what that is in normal Bubba terms.
Planning and implementation process for strengthening communities. So what they did was they did research to find out, they looked for risk factors in communities and how to fill those risk factors with protective factors. Looking at some of the agencies that we have in our county, we have amazing social agencies in our county. Looking at what kind of issues youth are dealing with and how can we prevent them from having to go through those risk factors.
Since you're all about prevention, do you have any prevention steps, something simple that listeners would like to know?
Absolutely. Something I just learned about recently, it's the CTC, so the Communities That Care Social Development Strategy. Simple, 5 easy steps. So provide young people with opportunities, skills, and recognition. This strengthens bonds with their family, their school, and their community. So strong bonds motivate young people to adopt healthy standards for behavior. So again, it's the social development strategy. We're having a training here in Cambria County October 6th for the foster grandparents. So I'm eager to learn more about this also. But again, just providing them with opportunities is number one.
Basically, everything boils down to you have this strong community, everybody feels a part of it, the addiction part goes away, you don't have it around.
That's the goal, yep.
How about where can a listener find more info on any of this stuff, maybe prevention information, or how does somebody contact you?
Number one place I'd recommend them is to our website. So we recently launched our website back in May, and it's www.cambriacountydrugcoalition.org. So there's actually a Contact Us tab. I get lots of emails from community members, people who are interested in learning more about who we are, who want to be involved. So on the Contact Us tab, put your information in there. It'll send me an email, or they can contact us. Our phone number is 814-619-4505.
Now, will you go in getting anything implemented into schools? Or are you working on that kind of stuff?
My background is actually in the Botvin Life Skills Training Program. So it's a prevention program. I got involved in Botvin Life Skills Training back in 2008. I was an AmeriCorps member, and then in 2009 I got trained in the Botvin Life Skills Program. That's an evidence-based prevention program, and one of my job duties right now is I go into schools. I'm meeting with all the local schools to encourage schools to have evidence-based programs, including Botvin Life Skills. So, like I said, I did that from 2009 to 2017. It's an excellent program, one of the best in the country. But most of our schools already have it, which is a great thing. So we want to expand those efforts.
So again, for listener that wants to attend one of your public meetings that the Prevention Coalition has, when is that?
The Cambria County Prevention Coalition meetings are held the second Tuesday of every month at 8:30 at the Ebensburg Presbyterian Church. That's 200 North Center Street in Ebensburg. To learn more about the Cambria County Prevention Coalition meetings, you can visit our events page. It's actually listed on the calendar.
And that's at CambriaCountyDrugCoalition.org.
Correct.
Kate Porter, thank you for stopping by. Prevention all over the Laurel Highlands. Communities, strong communities is the base of it.
Absolutely.
Thanks for being a part of it.
Thanks for having me.
Hearts Against Heroin, presented by Conemaugh Health System and Somerset Hospital, with Spangler Subaru, Martin Baker America, Yeager's Heating Service, First Summit Bank, and Rocky 99.